Rev up your engines. It's time for ScottyKiller.com. Your vehicle is running poorly, and if it has the P0171 running to lean code, then you can easily have a vacuum leak on the engine, so today I'm going to show you how to fix it. Now in this Toyota, the lean code was for cylinder number 1, and that's a cylinder over here. Now I've already kind of figured that out because when I look over here, I can hear hissing sounds. Hissing sounds are vacuum leaks. The air's being sucked in. But now we got to find where that leak is. Now I'm a professional mechanic, so normally I'll use my smoke machine to smoke out the leaks. It pumps smoke in the system, and then smoke comes out where the leak is. But hey, that thing cost over $1,000. And this cheap cigar only costs 99 cents at the drugstore, so I'm going to show you how to find them using the smoke from a cigar. The first thing you do is go to the area that's leaking, take off one of the vacuum hoses, then just have another loose hose ready, and stick it on where the other hose went. And now it's cigar time. Light it up. And start blowing into the hose. Now you can see there's smoke coming out from under, so look under and see where the smoke's coming from. Now I've taken off the air cleaner line, and hey, here it is. This hose just came off of the line. Then just put the air ductwork back on. Then start her up. No more hissing sounds on the engine and no more shaking idle. And sure, my $1,000 smoke machine is a little more professional, but you can smoke the cigar when you're done. And remember, if you've got any car questions, just visit ScottyKiller.com. And I'll answer them as soon as I get back from this ride.